Hey guys, Ryan here with Quality Comfort Home Services. Today I wanted to come to you and talk about filters, how often you should change your filters, and what type of filters are typically in a residential HVAC system. So there's normally three different types of filters. The throwaway filters, which is a 1-inch fiberglass filter that should be changed once a month. There is a 1-inch pleated filter, which is similar to this right here. It lasts a little longer, can typically go 3 months, depending on the traffic in the house as far as kids, pets, and things like that. And there's also a media filter that is a 4 or 5 inch filter. You'll see the thickness. Little thicker filter can typically go about 6 months. Again, depending on the traffic in the house. Now, when you're installing these filters into your system, you will see that there is a airflow arrow. That arrow will always point towards the furnace. So anytime that you are putting in your filter, take a look, find the arrow, and point that arrow towards the furnace. Also, another thing that I like to do, and you'll see it on this filter here, is it has a date installed. So that way, when you go back, 3 months later, maybe 4, 5, 6 months, you realize that you haven't changed, one of these filters in a while. You'll see exactly when you put that brand new filter in your furnace. So, like I said, typically if you have the cheap, we call them the throwaway fiberglass filters, 1 month. If you have a 1-inch pleated filter, typically a white filter like this, a little thicker material, you can go about 3 months. And then if you have a media filter that is a 4 or 5 inch filter, you can typically go about 6 months. So let us know if you have any questions or concerns. Thank you very much.